and me and this guy's lines come together, and we hit. And then I'm like going over my bars, and his handlebars, I knew something hit my ass like so hard. And I'm laying on the ground like, ah, and my ass just hurts like so bad. Yes, the guy's lever snapped off in my asshole.
So that was the worst part, getting out.
Yeah, when they were pulling it out, when the ball part, it did not want to come out. They had to like yank it. It hurt so bad.
This has to be one of the first times a man's had to come to the emergency department for a rectal foreign body, and the story was actually true.